So here we have multiples of 100, so numbers that end in 2 zeros, and we're dividing by 100. So there's a nice easy trick for this. 5,600 divided by 100 is 56, because we can cancel 2 end zeros, and then we have 56 divided by 1, and we know any number divided by 1 is just that number, so our answer is 56. So 5,600 divided by 100 gives the same answer as 56 divided by 1. And we can do the same thing for 15,000 divided by 100. We can cancel 2 end zeros, so then we have 150 divided by 1, which is 150. And we have to be careful here. We still need this zero. We can't cancel this zero because there's 2 end zeros in 100, so we can only cancel 2 of our end zeros in the dividend. So 15,000 divided by 100 gives the same answer as 150 divided by 1. Now 430,300 divided by 100. When we write it out and cancel the end zeros, we get 4,303. So that's our answer. And again, you can see what we're doing with the end zeros.